How's it going, everyone? Back again here, just giving you guys an update on the headlights that I installed like 2 months ago, and a little bit of the things that I added to the car. Here it is. Just to mess around, I added some underglow just for shits and giggles, I guess. Got new wheels. I got Koenig hypergrams, powder coated them. What color were they again? Something white. I have a Beluga catback on it, but I recently got rid of the mufflers on the only two mufflers on the car. It's a lot louder than it was before, that's for sure. Way louder. The bangs, pops and bangs from Stratify Tune make it so it's like actual gunshots at an even low RPM. The headlights have been amazing. I'll show you guys in the daytime. There's 2 spots on the headlights that make it so you can adjust the beam level. You can make them high, you can make them low. Before I found it out, my friend actually told me about it because I couldn't figure it out, and then I kind of just stopped trying until he told me. I don't know what you can do with these. I don't know if you can adjust the level of brightness on them, but I don't know. So far, I'm liking it. The underglow, my girlfriend bought it for me as I think a Christmas gift. Or was it my birthday? Either one of those two. It was like 25 bucks on Amazon. Here's a little controller. Switch to all those colors. You can make them do a lot of things. I don't know how far I can be, but you can make it do that. It's really cheap, but honestly, it's kept up really well in these Oregon rains and cold. This is one of my favorites. Let's see if it switches. That one. Oh, it just kind of goes, how it fades into different colors. So far I haven't been pulled over. I use purple most of the time, and cops usually just kind of look at me and then they mind their own business. Yeah. Oh, the wheels are 18 by 8.5. Offset is 43 or 42. They're really good. I think it's made a huge difference of when I stop. It stops a lot faster now, in my opinion. I'll give you guys some exhaust notes. Just a sec. Well, there you have it. Finally some exhaust clips. Pop some bangs, a little update on it. White wheels. Also, if you guys are interested, anybody who actually watches my videos, a friend of mine sells third brake light, so it flashes kind of like the STI ones. Really helps. It really helps out there. Really flashes people so that it tells them to stop or it's an emergency. You don't really have to press on the brake really hard. It just starts flashing for you once you just barely tap on it. It's a great little mod to it. So if you guys want some of those, just please hit me up. Send me a comment, subscribe or whatever. Just let me know what you guys want. If you guys want a module, also if you guys want the headlights, my friend is now the guy to get a hold of for these headlights. Cheapest in the US, gets them shipped directly to you, no questions asked. Just let me know if you guys want these headlights. They're Osram. A little pricey, but he can get you a great deal on them. Whatever ones you want. GTI ones, black edition. I think silver, I believe. I have the black edition on these ones. Oh, I almost forgot. One last thing. Hold on. It's a little dirty in here. We're also selling sequential turn signals. Plug and play. Look great with the car. It's a close up on the passenger side. Driver's side. They're great. So if you guys want some of those too, let me know. Now the back ones I don't have those yet. I like my LEDs right now because I mean nothing's wrong with them. No LEDs are out or anything. But yeah. Sequentials. Please let me know if you guys want some of those. Happy to sell you some. Plug and play, direct shipping straight to you. Alright guys, see you on the next one. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else. My friends have really modified cars. Some of them are Mk6 Gtis. I'll do an interview on them as to why they chose that car and why they wanted to modify it. So, see you guys next time. Peace.